This is plastic. If you don't recognize this, this is the quill lever handle from the Shopsmith. It does the job. It's fine. But does it deserve to be on your Shopsmith? I don't think so. You know, we're about to hit 19,999 subscribers on this channel, which is an unbelievable number to me. Thank you very much. And I think it's the perfect time to do something about this. This isn't a huge mass market tool. In fact, it's a legacy tool, and people who use them are kind of special. We are people who appreciate craftsmanship, versatility, and history. So I wanted to celebrate this milestone in a way that acknowledges exactly that. Not a giveaway, but a challenge. So every Shopsmith, be it a Mark V, a Mark II, a Mark VII, a Mark I, all of those featured basically this exact same handle. It's functional, absolutely, but it's not very memorable. So here's the challenge. Let's replace it. Make a wooden handle with whatever level of skill and craftsmanship that you possess today. Your style, your Shopsmith. Make something worthy of your machine, something special, something permanent. Make your mark on your machine. So that's what we're calling this. This is the Make Your Mark Challenge. There's no single right way to do this. You can modify your existing handle, or thank you, Shopsmith, they are making available, I believe for the first time ever, just the metal portion of this lever that if you don't want to damage and remove your existing plastic handle, you can purchase just that part and start from scratch. You can find it on their website. I'll link to it below. It's not an affiliate link. We're just showing our support to Shopsmith one more time. You can make something that's completely new, something original, something elaborate, or something utilitarian, something simple, something that's going to give you pleasure when you interact with it. Personally, I'm going to make a couple of them. I'm going to enter this contest myself. I imagine primarily I'm going to reach for wood, but there's no reason why you can't use acrylic or plastic if that's what pleases you and what you like to work with in your shop. I do want to share a couple of my ideas, and you will see those in an upcoming video. And honestly, I'm a little bit intimidated by what some of you are capable of doing, but I look forward to seeing what you come up with. To enter, just create your handle and post it over at mygrowthrings.com. You can post a picture, you can tell a story about it, you can even shoot a video, bonus points for a video. Keep them short, let's say under 2 minutes. Share them on YouTube. Title them something like the Make Your Mark contest. That would be really cool. We'll come up with a hashtag. In fact, there it is. Make Your Mark Challenge. There you go. There's the hashtag. I'll also be featuring submissions in later videos, and we'll select winners based on craftsmanship, creativity, and community favorites. Over the coming weeks, I'll be highlighting some of the ones that are submitted within the community. I imagine some will be creative, some will be clever, some will be probably a surprise to all of us. I can't wait to see what you come up with. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you've been here for a while, I really appreciate you being a part of the journey. So now it's your turn. Make your mark and make it a great day.